Hi friends, welcome to this week's weekly challenge. Let us see what is the challenge which we have this week. So you can see in this sheet we are having two columns. In the first column we have the addresses and in the second column we have the region codes. Now you have three challenges. The challenge number 1 is identify how many regions we have. That is, how many unique regions we have. The second challenge is generate a count of addresses in each region. And a very important point to be kept in mind is that there are some addresses in which there are multiple regions. So for such addresses, I would like you to pick up only the first number. So go ahead, pause the video and try to find a solution for this challenge, and then you can come back and I will show you how you can resolve this challenge. Well, now that you are back, let me show you how you can resolve this challenge. First, I will go into the column next to regions and I'll give a heading as region, singular. Then I'll use a function of Excel called as equal to left, open bracket, then click on the cell, then give a comma, and then type 1, close bracket. This function means that from the left side, pick up only the first value. And I will hit enter and I'll just copy the formula down. So you can see for multiple ranges, it will pick up only the first number. Now I will center align this. Now it will become easy for me to find the count as well as to find the unique regions. So for this, I will use the pivot table feature of Microsoft Excel. I'll click on a blank location, then I'll click on Insert, and in Insert, I will select Pivot Table. Before selecting Pivot Table, ensure that you are clicked anywhere inside your data, and then click on Pivot Table. Then you say, I want the pivot table in the existing worksheet. Give the location and click on OK. Now what you want for rows? For rows, I want region. So you can see the unique regions you get over here. And for count, again I want regions. So I get a count. So we have resolved this challenge. That is, we have found the unique regions and we have found the count of unique regions. And for multiple values, we have picked up only the first number. So friends, hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.